Hygiene's important and it's expensive. Hygiene products are expensive. I think we all take these simple things for granted. Not everyone can afford them or has access to them.
These products really help our clients because many of them don't have access to products to be able to clean themselves, and just even being able to brush their teeth and wash their hands with a bar of soap, it gives them just that first step to even just making themselves feel human.
The Sands actually gets together with the community and our team members.
They have a partnership with a nonprofit by the name of Clean the World, and they take all the leftover soap and shampoo and conditioner from their hotels.
They refurbish it all, they sanitize the bottles, they refill it with the product, and then that is what we use to create these hygiene kits.
Annually, we build 10,000 hygiene kits.
They include the soap, shampoo, lotion, conditioner, toothpaste, toothbrush. It's your basics.
And then it has a handwritten note card that's meant to be encouraging to recipients of the hygiene kits, like you are special, have a great day.
It isn't just, here's a bar of soap. Someone actually put that together and took the time to do a little note. It makes me so happy to receive them and so happy to give them out.
This year, we distributed the kits to 21 local agencies in the Lehigh Valley, both shelters and nonprofits.
The Sands are keeping us in mind and keeping the people in mind that are not their clients. I mean, people that are coming to us aren't going into their casinos or into their restaurants. So they are really helping people who need it, and I just love being a part of that.
I think it's important for businesses to give back to the community that has given to them, and we are benefiting a section of our society that needs our help, and we all have a corporate responsibility to do that.
I really feel wonderful knowing that 10,000 kits are made and 10,000 people are benefiting from these kits.
It's something that we don't think about in our daily lives because we have access to soap and water. These people don't. So being able to provide these helps us help the community.
It's just amazing how everybody comes out and pitches in and has a great time doing it.
Want to see more of what we do? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.
To see more of the Peak TV, check out our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and catch us on WFMZ Channel 69.